Welcome to my YouTube channels, Excellent NCRT online classes. Dear students, today I will discuss the topic the types of government for class 6. Now just let's have a look. How many countries are there in this world? Yes, there are 195 countries in the world in present time. Now, these countries are following different types of government rule. Okay, so today we will watch that which country is following which type of government rule. On the basis of the government rule, we can categorize into four categories. First is none, second is one, few, and many. None, where is there no presence of the government, there is no law, there is no rule, that is called, such type of a government is called the anarchy. Now just let's talk about the second type of government, where the government, all the government's power is holding by hereditary persons or non-hereditary persons, that is called monarchy and dictatorship. When we talk about the hereditary persons, where the person is getting the powers of holding the state, that is called the king or queen's rule. Okay, so this rule is specified the arbitrary rules of the king and queens. Okay, now just see, next one is dictatorship, where the one strong person is holding the all states power in his or her hand, that is called dictatorship. So tyranny, when the dictatorship becomes cruel, that is called the tyranny. Now just see the few, where the few persons are holding the state's power, that is called oligarchy. So rule of the faction of the person or families. So faction means a group of person or families is holding the all the state's power in his or her hand, in their hand. Okay, now theocracy, it means that God's rule, where the country consider that that in its state there is a God's rule or priest's rule. Okay, so now just when we talk about many people rule, so it means that we are talking about democracy. It means that rule of the people, where people has the right to choose the government, to form the government. And how, when these people elects the representative, and these representative form the government, that is called the republic. So India is holding two types of title. First is it is a democracy, second is the republic. Now just see. So dear students, as I earlier had told everything, now just see in a detail. Anarchy, where no rule. It means that no rule. A state of absence of a law or state of lawlessness and disorder. It happens due to the failure of the government. Okay, it was first introduced in 5039, which means absence of government. So, in which country is it is following? Syria and Yemen. Now just see, monarchy, one person's hereditary rule. So monarchy, where person is getting the hereditary rights to rule on over the state, that is called the monarchy. So when monarchy rule can be dignified into two types. First is constitutional monarchy and second is absolute monarchy. Absolute monarchy, where the unlimited power has given for the king or queen. Okay, now just see, when we talk about constitutional monarchy is constitutional monarchy provide limited powers for the queen and king and or queen. Why? Because in constitutional monarchy, there is a legislative, judiciary, and executive. They are the three forms of the government. Okay, now next one, example of absolute monarchy, you can see the absolute monarchy in Saudi Arabia. And next one is example of constitutional monarchy, where you can see the example in England. Now just see, Dictatorship, where non-hereditary persons rule, where when one person is holding, where hold a person or group of person hold the power of the state. This could be acquired by inheritance or force. Example, Russia. So those persons are getting the rule by force or by being a powerful person in the ruling party. That is called dictatorship. So now tyranny, whereby when the dictatorship becomes a cruel, it means that no human laws are following in that country. That is called the tyranny. So a government or authority of an absolute ruler, arbitrary exercise of power over the subjects not required for the purpose of the government, rules by the law and justice. So here the example which countries are following: Cuba and Myanmar. Now just see, oligarchy rule. Oligarchy rule means rule of a few persons. Oligarchy, government by the few, especially despotic. Despotic means what they desire to do, they are doing. Okay, so willingly they are doing. They are not following any laws. Okay, so despotic power exercised by a small and privileged group for corrupt or selfish purposes. When some groups of persons or some groups of parties are constituted uh, to to fulfill the selfish purposes, not for for the nation. They never think about the nation's welfare. So this type of rule is called oligarchy. So example are here: Saudi Arabia, Russia, China's communism. Also you can see where China is also following the communism, and where all the production is only devoted for the its nation. Now just see, powerful families run most of the state owned corporations. Iran. Iran is a religious oligarchy. So it is comes under the category of theocracy and priest rule. Okay, now just see, rule democracy, ruled by many persons. Okay, so as we know that it is a system where the government of the country is elected by the people, where government where the citizen of that country has a right to choose its government. So now example, India. So in India is a republic also, where the government holds authority is based on the citizens votes, which are elected representative in free and fair elections. Parliamentary form of the government. India is also holding the next third type of title, that is the parliamentary form of the government. So India, it has three important features. First is it is a democracy, it is a republic, and it is a parliamentary form of government. So I hope that this topic will give you a benefit knowledge to for your studies. So if you have any queries, you can you can email me. Okay, so my next topic soon I will upload. Thank you.